unboxing video of an iPhone 17 Pro Max. What color is this?
Blue.
So I told my husband, I was like, I've been seeing the orange everywhere, but I think I actually do like an iPhone 17 blue color.
17.
Anyway, let's do an unboxing video. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing video. Joe, what do you think about the new iPhone? It's pretty. Okay, we'd love to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.